The world of ants. Have you ever wondered how ants live? They are the most industrious of all insects. They are very small, but they can lift things which weigh 20 times more than their own weight. Sounds incredible, doesn't it? Ants have 6 legs and their legs are strong and help them to run quickly. Do you know that the brain of an ant has 250,000 brain cells? Isn't it an amazing fact? An ant lives for 45 to 60 days. Have you noticed the antenna on the heads of the ants? These antennae are used not only to give a sense of touch, but also used for the sense of smell. An ant also has a pair of large and strong jaws. Adult ants do not chew and swallow solid food. They swallow the juice from the food and throw away the dry part. They have 2 eyes, but each eye is made of many smaller eyes. Such eyes are called compound eyes. Ants hatch from eggs and the first stage of their development is larva, which later becomes the pupa. From the pupa comes the adult ant. The queen ant lays the eggs, while the worker ants look after the baby ants and protect the nest from enemies. Ants keep their surroundings very clean and tidy. The worker ants regularly remove the dirt from the nest and deposit it outside in a special dustbin. If all of us are as careful as the ants in keeping our environment clean, our earth will be a very beautiful place to live in. Ants are social insects and live in structured communities that may be located underground, in ground-level mounds, or in the trees. Carpenter ants make their nest in wood and can be destructive to buildings. Some species such as army ants do not have permanent homes and seek food for their enormous colonies during periods of migration. Do you know how ants protect themselves from intruders? They have a well-developed defense system which keeps them safe. Many ants, such as the common red ones, have a sting to defend their nest from enemies. Some ants squirt a spray of an acid which keeps the enemies away. One Amazon species of an ant built extensive traps from plant fiber. These traps have many holes, and when an insect steps on hundreds of ants, inside use the opening to seize it with their jaws. Ants are tiny insects, but they are quite interesting to watch and study. They are hardworking, clean, and have a lot to teach us. They even have 2 stomachs. One holds the food for themselves, and the other has food to be shared with other ants. The next time you see ants moving in a column, think of their special qualities and try to be more like an ant: active, industrious, considerate, and agile.